dignitaries. I am Prabjot Kaur Kurman, research scholar from Punjabi University, Patiala, is going to present my topic on criminal law relating to protection against women and children. And as per Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru view, if you want to see the situation of the nation, first of all, you see the situation of the women in country. Crime against women is not a physical crime, even a crime against the woman's soul. Women and children are vulnerable groups of society which needs social protection. In India, every year so many laws, rules and regulation made for the protection of women and children against crime. But all these laws are still at the stage of infancy due to the incrementation by the officials. Every day, a new form of crime find against the women and children, like acid attack is a recent organized crime against women. Violence against women and children has become a return phenomena in India. The incidents of violence against them are showing increasing trends since the last few years. They are victim of different form of violation which raises a question mark about the effectiveness of existing law to combat violence against them. In the present paper, the author made an attempt to study social legal implication of increasing violence against women and children. The issue relating to protection of women and children against violence have been constantly engaging attention of universal. However, the international and the nation community have developed its sensibility towards women and child issue during the last 2 decades. The problem relating to this type of violation are multifaceted and multi-layered. Women have been subjected of deprivation, discrimination, intimidation, and unjust treatment in society throughout the history. The difference is only in the form that differ from time to time and from society to society. Women are murdered all over the world, but in India, a most brutal form of killing female take place regularly, even before they have the opportunity to be born. Assault on a woman's life and atrocide against her dignity and self have been witnessed in the entire face of history. Even infants were more brutal alive. Further, they were sold, used against their wishes, tortured, and had severe injuries inflicted on their bodies and even minds. Children offences likely have a negative impact on children and can result in behavioral, emotional, cognitive, and development difficulties. This may lead greater difficulties in life that will extend in adulthood also. There are various constitutional and statutory criminal laws available in our country to combat violence against women and children, and the present paper prescribed all the relevant provisions. And further, judiciary also plays an innovative role for the protection of women and children through various golden judgments like Vishakha versus State of Kerala, State of Haryana, and for the Lakshmikant case. In this particularly case, the Supreme Court gave judgments for the even acid sellers. And last, thanks to all the dignitaries. Thank you so much.